The sun? One per solar system. You always get the same one back. The office printer? One device shared by all. Nobody buys a second one. The president? One head of state. Every request routes through the same instance. The game save file? One shared state synchronized across every module. These aren't coincidences, they're natural singletons. And in software, the one that matters most is the database connection pool. Here's what happens without it. Your app has 3 services: user service, order service, and notification service. Each one does what seems perfectly reasonable: new database connection, 3 services, 3 separate connection pools. Under real load, 50 concurrent requests per second, you're opening hundreds of simultaneous connections. Your database has a hard limit. You hit it, queries time out, services fail, not because the database is down, not because the services are broken, because nobody guaranteed they were all sharing the same pool. You have a singleton problem. Singleton solves this with 3 precise mechanisms. Let's read the diagram. Database connection is our singleton class. It has 2 private members: instance, a static self-reference, and connection, the actual database handle. The constructor is declared private. That single keyword locks the front door permanently. You cannot write new database connection anywhere. TypeScript will refuse to compile it. The only entry point is getInstance. Public static returns database connection. If instance is null, create it, store it. If it already exists, return the stored reference. Every service, every module always gets the same object, one pool, total control. Factory method creates new objects on demand. Singleton guarantees you always get the same one instance, always the same, never a second one. TypeScript. Let's implement this cleanly. Private static instance, typed as database connection or null, starts as null. Private connection string, the actual database handle. Private constructor. New database connection stops working outside the class. Not discouraged, illegal. GetInstance, if this .instance is null, build it. Load the URL from process.env, never hardcode credentials. Log the connection, only once, because this block only runs once. Assign, return. Query takes SQL and params as separate arguments, always. Concatenating user input into SQL is how injection attacks happen, still in OWASP top 10 today. GetInstance in user service, the pool. Same call in order service, same object, same reference, one class, one instance, 0 duplicate connections. Use singleton when exactly one instance must coordinate access to a shared resource: connection pools, configuration objects, loggers, caches. Overuse turns singleton into global mutable state, hard to test, full of surprises. One instance, always the same, never a second one.